Welcome back, readers. Today we are reading A is for Activist, written and illustrated by Innosanto Nagara. A is for Activist, Advocate, Abolitionist, Ally, actively answering a call to action. Are you an activist? B is for Banner, bobbing in the sky, billowing in the breeze, 'cause you're not shy. C is for Co-op, cooperating cultures, creative counter to corporate vultures. O and cats, can you find the cats? D, little d, democracy, more than voting you'll agree. Dictators detest it, donkeys don't get it, but you and me, we demand equality. Equal rights, black, brown, or white. Clean and healthy is a right. Every place we live and play, environmental justice is the way. F is for feminist, for fairness in our pay, for freedom to flourish and choose our own way. G is for grassroots, sprouting from below, sharing nutrients and the water's flow. Below the surface, we're all connected. Stronger together, we grow. H is for healthy food, a human right. Honeydew, jamaica, nature's delight. Hummus, hot dogs, Havarti cheese. Hot dogs, yes, healthy hot dogs please, and pizza. Ingredients and immigrant, together we stand tall. Our histories are relevant. An injury to one is an injury to all. I. J is for justice. Yay for justice! Jai Jing Jang. Juanita, Jamal, justice for the janitors, justice for all. Kings are fine for story time, knights are fun to play, but when we make decisions, we will choose the people's way. LGBTQ, love who you choose, 'cause love is true. Liberate your notions of limited emotions, celebrate with pride our links of devotion. M, megaphones, marching, movimiento, music, hip-hop, hooray, hip-hip hooray, it must be May Day. N is for no. No, no, no. Yes to what we want, no to what must go. No, no, no. Open minds operate best. Critical thinking over tests. Wisdom can't be memorized. Educate, agitate, organize. P, peace march. Protest. Pow, power. To people. Yeah! Q is for question. Questioning coercion. Acquiring qualities counter false assertions. Radical Reds, the headline said. Ruinous rioters, the rumors spread. Rabble rousing, riff, really? S is for sun, solar. Superstar, stellar power, fuels all life, not just flowers. Energized homes, cars, and showers. Silly, selfish scoundrels sucking on dinosaur sludge. Boo, hiss. T is for trans, for trains, tiaras, tulips, tractors, and tigers too. Trust the true, and he, she, they, that is you. U is for weekends, U is for workers' rights. Wait, that's not you, that's double U. U is for union, yes. V is for Vox, What did you say? Fox? Did you say box? No, vox. Rocks, blocks, socks, vox. Vox of the people, voice of the pupil. Better go to C, letter D. Wondrous world, wondrous me, we cannot be whole, we cannot be free, unless we delight in diversity. X is for Malcolm X, as in Malcolm X. History's lessons can be complex. Remember Parks, remember King, remember Malcolm, and let freedom ring. Y is for you and youth, your planet, your rights, your future, your truth. Y is for yes, 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 yes. Z is for Zapatista, of course. This book was all about being an activist and speaking up for the rights of others and challenging the things in our world that are set and making a world that we want to see for the better. Now, you may agree or disagree with some things in this book, but it is just a different way of looking at the alphabet and using some poetry to think about the alphabet. Thank you, readers.